Hey guys, it's Mahone3478. So recently my house has been smelling like ass. Yes, it's that bad. And it is driving me crazy. I mean, I thought it was maybe because I hadn't done enough laundry. So my boyfriend Will went to go see The Matrix. Just so you guys know, he did go see a boyfriend. He went to go see The Matrix, and he gave me money for the clothes. He wanted it to be, originally it was going to be used for quarters. However, it was not able to be used for quarters due to having to, his money was too crumpled to put in the machine. So I'd spend out. So we ran over to Walgreens and got him some detergent. Now, this stuff we did stretch it out just a little bit. We stretched it out with some salt to make it a nice thick liquid. To make it a thick liquid, we stretched it out with some salt and with some we stretched it with some salt. We've been stretching this out with salt. I managed to stretch out the Kirkland detergent, believe it or not, with some salt and water. And of course a little bit of extra great value cleaning power to make it stretch that much further. I am going to end up, at that point though, I am going to end up adding, probably some Gain to it, because it's now there's more filler, so I'd have to compromise by adding more. I'm going to end up adding a little bit, at least a half packet of Gain when I go. I might end up adding like a packet of Scent Booster or something. I might end up adding a packet of Gain detergent to compromise. But it'll probably so yeah, that's what's been happening. So I went to the laundromat yesterday. Yesterday I went all the way over to the mat, and now today I don't have a lot of money right now. I'm not wealthy. But yeah, I don't know why my house still smells like ass, and I can't figure out why. I think it's the stuff, but just let you guys know, yes, I've been cleaning, so you wanna know what's going on in this house. I've been cleaning, but somehow my house still magically my house is still magically smell like booty.